Excuse me. So he didn't wear himself out. Didn't get a very good stick on him, so. And there goes the pole. Dadgummit.